welcome back to another video with Amy Makes That. Today's video is going to be on how to make waterproof stickers. I tried 4 different waterproof sticker brands. You heard me. They all claimed that they were waterproof, and you're going to be very surprised at the outcome of them. If you're new here, I create all content in regards to the Cricut, whether that's font tutorials, Cricut projects like today's video, and some craft business tips as well if you're looking to start that craft hobby of yours into a small business. So if you're interested in that kind of content, please subscribe to my channel. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you that watches and supports my channel and everything that I do here. And all the products mentioned in today's video will be linked in the video description. The stickers that I made today were so cute and so festive for the holiday season. I couldn't not do something festive because I love the holidays. Let's transfer you to VoiceOver Amy and get into the tutorial. Here we have Cricut Design Space open. If you do not know how to upload your image, by the way, into Cricut Design Space, my stickers video show the process of that, so I will link those in the video description. But here is our image. I did make the size 1.811 by 2.181, so it is just about under 2 inches. Now, my secret little trick that you guys know if you've watched my print and cut sticker tutorials is that you can add more stickers with this hack. I do explain a little bit into more detail on my TikTok Cricut hacks video, so I will again link that too. I'm going a little bit fast here, but basically I make a square that's the size of 6.75 by 9.25. I duplicate the stickers and then attach and then select them all, as you can see I'm doing here, and I attach them. Then I'll remove the square, of course, because we technically do not need that, so I will hide it, and I'll hide that extra sticker over there, and we will click Make It. And as you know, this is the next page for print and cut stickers. So with all the sheets that I'm using today, the online labels ones are not 8.5 by 11, and they do have a border around them, which I will show in a bit, but that is okay because the Cricut does not cut into that and it won't interfere with that. So I will be repeating the same exact process 4 different times with the 4 different label sticker papers that I have. So we remove the bleed, and then I click the Use System dialog because I want to make sure that it is set to the right printer and the quality is on best. So I'll go over the 4 label papers. This is the first one from Amazon, that is matte. Again, it says quick drying and water resistant. The second one is from Amazon, and this is the glossy one. And then I have the 2 online label ones. This is the waterproof gloss inkjet, and this is the border that I was talking about, but again, it doesn't interfere with the Cricut, so you don't have to worry about it. And then I also have the matte one from Online Labels. I will insert the paper into the printer that I have, and it will print everything. But if you are a little bit concerned as to how to do this, definitely check out my other print and cut tutorials, especially my print and cut 101 tutorial. So I'm going to repeat again the same exact process for everything. I'm printing all of them out first, and then I will cut them. And then this is the third one. And the 4th label paper. Now we can go to the second step, which is setting the base material for the Cricut to cut. I had to click Browse All Materials because the material wasn't listed. For the Amazon papers, it was recommended to do the setting Sticky Note. This did work well with the matte one, but with the glossy one, I did have trouble. So I would set the setting for that to a little bit deeper of a blade or deeper of a cut some sort. I was able to get it off eventually, but it did take a while for me. So here the Cricut is scanning and cutting everything. And then we can remove the stickers from the mat, and you can see it was cut perfectly. So I'm going to repeat the same process for the rest of the other stickers. Now we transfer to my kitchen, and these are the two Amazon stickers. The left is the matte and the right is the glossy. Today we're going to be applying the stickers to this beer can glass, which is linked in my Amazon shop and will be linked in the video description. I love these. I use them for all of my drinks in my house. Side note. So the first one was the Amazon matte, and the second one is the Amazon glossy. Did get this one a little bit wet, and as you can see, the ink was kind of bleeding. Not a good sign so far. So I wet these first to see how they would react. I'm not doing any crazy temperatures, just doing a very light pressure with my sink right in the middle of hot and cold, nothing too crazy. And you can see that the matte one definitely held up better. So next we're doing the online labels one. The first one is the glossy one, and then the next one is the matte. I did them in different areas just so I knew that the top ones were the Amazon ones and the bottom ones were the online label brand. And you can see this glossy one was a nightmare. The sticker paper was coming up. The ink was going crazy. And this was the Amazon matte, and the ink, you could definitely see it was a little weird. But this online labels glossy one was just, oh man, the ink was bleeding everywhere, just not good. So this made me question now, is this because I just printed them? So lucky for you, I did an updated version for 48 hours later. So I did the exact same thing 48 hours later just to see if it was the ink, maybe it wasn't too dry yet. So I repeated the same process and put this under water and in the same position too, so I will compare both side to side. Online labels one was just didn't want to stick. So now these are side by side. The first one we're showing is the Amazon matte, and this is the bottom one, which is the online labels matte. Now we're going to the glossy ones. This is the Amazon glossy, and then this is the online labels glossy. So you can definitely see somewhat of a difference between the two from just getting printed versus not getting printed. So let me know what you thought in the comment section. Thank you everyone for watching today's video. Let me know what you thought of all of the brands that I tried today. I was thoroughly shocked at how these brands promoted that they were waterproof stickers, and they told otherwise. If you're interested in some other print and cut tutorials, I will link them in the video description. And if you did like today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope you are all having such an amazing day, and I will see everyone in the next video. Bye!